To create YouTube chapter markers from the active sequence in my Adobe Premiere project, I use a workflow recipe from mamoworld Automation Agent and simply copy the workflow prompt from the documentation. You'll find the link to the documentation in the video description. Then I make sure that in Automation Agent for Premiere, the MCP server is connected to my agent. In the agent, I paste and run the prompt. The agent then retrieves a transcript of everything in my timeline to get an idea of what the video is about and to plan where chapter markers would make sense. Then it outputs the chapter times and names and also adds them as markers in the Premiere timeline. In this case, the process took OpenAI codecs about 2 minutes. The great thing about the markers is that you can edit them afterwards. The chapter names are the marker names, so you can easily update them, and you can also add or delete markers or shift them in time. Once you're happy, you can export the markers. For this, we don't need to bother the agent again. We can be even faster by using the sample script export sequence markers to YouTube chapter text from the Automation Agent library. This script copies the chapter information directly to the clipboard, so we can paste it straight into the video description on YouTube. YouTube then shows the chapters directly in the player. That's how Automation Agent can analyze your timeline and create meaningful YouTube chapters in just minutes.